Louisville. Louisville Slugger? No. Louisville Ladder? Cool. To the above garage, attic. Using attic rafters, we do that in almost every one level, along with carrier furnace and air conditioner, Brown air exchanger, and Rheem water heater. So this is the Amelia floor plan. All living facilities on one level. This one happens to back up to the soccer fields in Isanti. This one is also, unfortunately, sold. But we can make more. We've got more lots. Look at this, 7-foot kitchen island. Nice deep walk-in pantry. Second bedroom. Second full bath. And then check out this owner's suite with a barn door. The owner's bath. And a walk-in closet. With a transom window looking out at the great outdoors. And providing natural light. So this one is sold. It's in Isanti. We only have a few more open houses to do. But we can build more. We've got other lots in Wyoming and in North Branch. So, give me a call. I'm with the Lock team at Realty Group, your new construction specialists.